y'all, so in my previous video I did show y'all like the process of me making the wig, but I am going to jump to another clip real quick of y'all just watching me do the bald cap method. I'm currently not doing the bald cap method right now, like I just have my wig cap on underneath this, but I am going to jump to that clip real quick and then come back and share with you all the details, all the pros and cons and all that good stuff, and get into everything. But yeah, so I'm just going to jump to that real quick and we're going to be right back. Right, y'all, so I know I showed y'all the bald cap method, but I'm not wearing that. I do have an elastic band in my wig cap, so that's like pulling my wig down to my head, so I really didn't have to like glue anything down. The only thing extra that I did do was I added the Got To Be glue gel on my edges, so that's why when I'm pulling on it, it's not going nowhere, because the Got To Be glue laying down the edges, laying down the wig. And hold on, let me get it. I don't want to knock my camera over, but so as y'all can see, my wig not going nowhere, everything is still intact. But so I did order this hair off of an Amazon store called Wine Girl. Again, shout out to my roommate for putting me on, because I had no idea where I wanted to get any hair from, and this literally was a last minute hairstyle for me. I did get this hair for about $119. I am going to leave exact pricing down below with the links to the actual hair and website. I did order 3 bundles in a frontal. I got a 16-inch frontal, 18-inch, 20, and 22. But as you all can see, I did cut them, and that's gonna go into my first con about this hair. So the hair was very thin. Normally, like I said in my previous video, if I was to purchase hair past 18 inches, I get 4 bundles, so that way it can be full from root to tip. And this hair was just not doing it for me. It was very thin, so I really like my hair to look full and just even, so that's why I cut it like this. And It looks very, very full now and fluffy, and everything is just flowing like I want to. So, and far as keeping a curl, now this is the first time I've actually like put heat on this hair. I did what did I do? I did use the blow dry a little bit to kind of like blow dry the hair, and then I went in with my curling iron. I curled the hair and I did pin curls. So that's what these are right now. I haven't went out the house with this hair, so I don't know how it's gonna hold up like with the weather, but I will come and update y'all on this hair later. These are heat curls that are in my head now, but when I first wore the wig, I did heatless curls with the flexi rod. So that was just me putting some conditioner in the hair, and then I did the flexi rod method. Now those curls, when I took them out, they came out so cute, and they had like that nice crimpy like wave look to them. Like, they were very, very cute, but they did not last at all. Like, literally as soon as I got out the door, like, they were dropping. So I don't know if heat does better on this hair as far as like holding a curl, but so far, I mean, they still looking good. But yeah, so I definitely, like, far as holding a curl, I'm like, I'll give it like a 6 right now. You can get a 6 from me for that. But can we get into this frontal? Now y'all, I really did struggle in the beginning because it's been a while. Like, when I say it's been a while, it's been a little while since I made a frontal for myself. So it was kind of hard for me to like be able to see and cut everything. But by the grace of God, I done got this thing right. So we just gonna like bask in it. I did bleach the knots. I am wearing the wig cap, but for real, you can't even see where it's at. So 2 thumbs up for Wine Girl for that. Like, I'm definitely serving scalp right now. You can't tell me I'm not, because I know I am. But far as the baby hairs, these are a little bit dramatic for me. I am like, after today, after I take it off, I am gonna go in and I'm gonna thin them out some more, cut them a little bit shorter. So I did the Got To Be Glue gel in the black tube, and I just went in with my edgy brush and put it on, and like, I'm touching them and they're not like moving around. Like, it definitely has the wig. That's what's really laying the wig down to my head, is the edge control, is the Got To Be Glue gel. So, and I also did go in with my, not flat iron, what is that thing called? Hot comb. I went in with my hot comb, and that's how I got this thing to look super duper flat. So like, y'all can't tell me that I'm wearing a wig right now. Like, this is my hair, pressed out, curled out, you know, this me. This all me right here, okay? This all me. Between y'all, this all me. You know, we ain't gonna tell nobody, okay? But yeah, that's me. That's me right here. But yeah, I'm very, very like proud of myself, because I was scared, y'all. I was like, if this don't come out right, I'ma still show y'all, but I'm not gonna wear it. But yeah. So, I'm supposed to be talking about pros and cons. I'm talking about me. Anyways, so my only con is the thinness of the hair. Far as shedding, the hair does not shed at all. Like, it doesn't shed at all. The only time that I saw shedding from the hair is when I cut the tracks and when I brush the hair out, which is normal. So far as shedding, they get a 10 out of 10 for me. Now, when I say this hair is freaking, ooh, okay, we gonna ignore that. But when I say this hair is freaking soft, y'all, like, it's super duper soft. Like, it feels the exact same way that it felt when I first got it. Like, and I put hairspray on this hair too, and it still feels freaking soft to the touch. Like, it's really soft. Now, as far as tangling, I haven't had any tangling with this hair. I mean, yeah, I'm having a little rough time running my fingers. Oh my gosh, y'all, like, I get so tongue tied and it's so crazy. But the only reason why I'm having a little bit of time, not really a hard time, but running my fingers through it now, is just because I curled it, and this hair was a body wave hair, so it really wasn't that curly. But yeah, ooh, one little hair. But other than that, as far as like tangling, it doesn't really tangle that bad, so I would say probably like a 7, 8, 9. For tangling. Softness, oh my gosh, perfect. The frontal is definitely perfect. Far as bleaching, I did use 40, did I use 40 or 30? I used 30 volume developer on this frontal, and I left it on for about 15 minutes and it did the job. As y'all can see, I don't have any makeup or anything on my frontal at all, and it is blending, melting into my scalp, into my skin. Like, y'all, I just cannot believe that this is my wig right now. Like, I underestimated myself a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, I didn't think that this was gonna come out this fine. Like, oh my gosh, I didn't think it was gonna come out this good. Like, I knew it was gonna come out good, but I didn't think it was gonna come out like, well, I want to flex. Like, but other than that, I mean, overall, I'm gonna give this hair a 9.5 out of 10, and the reason why 0.5 is because of the thinness, but it's okay now because I mean, I had to cut it. So I mean, I guess I can give it a 10 out of 10. I mean, for the price, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, y'all can't beat this. All right, y'all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and definitely do not forget to check out the description box down below so that way you can get your hands on this luscious hair and these flawless popping eyelashes. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay popping, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.